yan. In one night lang. O, diba? O, ayaw ba ninyo? Parang ayaw ata. Pero, oo, totoo dito, no? Di ba sa ibang, kung magtrabaho tayo, no? Ang iba na, kailangan natin maging professional pa bago tayo makakuha ng maayos na trabaho at mataas na income. But here in Railway, kahit wala kang pinag-aralan, maniwala ba kayo sa hindi? Maniwala na lang kayo. Kasi no, iba, nagtitinda lang ng kaldero sa tabi-tabi. Wala yung pinag-aralan, no read, no write. Pero ngayon, grabe, milyonaryo, bilyonaryo na sila. So, sa mga senior citizen, huwag kayong mag-alala. Ang CEO natin nag-start 6 lang na senior citizen. Doon, natulog pa yung iba. Pero, dahil sa kanyang persistent, no, nga mag-success siya sa negosyo niya, through her mission, no, nga the right way, nga gawin niya the right way, nagawa niya ito, no, napalaki niya, napalago niya ang negosyo niya. Kaya, huwag tayong mag-alala na senior na tayong i-focus natin yung time natin sa pag-alaga sa ating mga apo. We have an opportunity here, no? Aside from ma-solve yung health issue ninyo, kikita ka pa, makatulong ka pa, at mapamana nyo pa ito in the future kung mawala na kayo sa mundo, no? Hindi na kung tatrabahuin mo lang ng maayos, no? Can you imagine, in one day, you can earn 42,000 pesos. So, in 30 days, you are successive, no? Nga maggawa ka nito. Aba, 3 million, no? Diba? Hindi mo na kailangan mag-compute. Kung mahina tayo sa math, huwag mag-alala. Ang kampanya na, mag-send sa iyo ng numbers mo doon. Oh, wow, 3 million. Oh, na, without, no? Hindi na ano ang isip mo, ma-hassle na mag-compute. So now, let's move on to our closing speaker, our Team Elite Pabo, Ms. Aubrey Albis. Let's... Okay, so good morning everyone. And welcome to our first-timers. Okay lang kayo? Nakakahinga pa kayo dyan? Hindi naman na-stress ba? Na-overwhelm? Or ano ba to? Parang walang ako na-observe. Ano daw yun? But anyway, okay, our technical, okay, our all-around, that's our marketing plan, 22-year-old Jello. Can we give him a round of applause? Okay. Presentation. You know, let me mention David Yu, Diane Ang, and her Pegasus daughter during the pandemic. The three of them, I heard them that why they become successful because every day up to today, they are still talking about OPP and marketing plan. So that's why that's part of our every Saturday event. So, okay ba mga Singapore dollar? Okay lang kayo? Hindi naman masyadong na-overwhelm. Parang gusto nyo na umpisahan trabahuin, ha? So, let me add, that was really a great presentation. In your product wallet, you see in your dashboard, you can see maintenance, 170,000 less 10% of DAX natin. That's why Railway International, the whole Philippines is a top 10 contributors sa mga tax. Contributors kayo sa mga aeroplano nila na napurap. So, sa mga bag nilang Hermes, contributors ang Railway. So, but anyway, as in the way out tayo sa system natin, bago mahawakan natin, mag-reflect ang ating RW sa product wallet natin, na-deduct na ang tax natin. Okay? So, you can see the maintenance. That maintenance goes to your product wallet. It means that every 1,000 that you earn, 100 pesos total will be, 100 RW will be deducted and goes to your product wallet. So it means if today you earn 500 RW, 50 will go to your product wallet until by the end of the month you accumulated, let's say 43,000 RW or 4,003 RW, 400 will go to your diamond account.
the maximum that the system will save for you for your product wallet is only 300 RW. Meaning, may sobra ka pa doon na 130 RW, which will go to your product or go back to your wallet first of the following month. Kaya magtataka, wala naman ako in-code kahapon, bakit may additional ako? Kasi sumobra siya doon. Now, mention naman ni Diamond 2-star, Miss Beth, she has 25 diamond accounts. Sa 25 diamond accounts na yan, kung meron siyang 2 diamond accounts na active, may mga tao doon. So, that second diamond account can also earn separate maintenance. Kasi wala tayong required ng Reway na you are going to buy the product every month. Walang ganon. The system will automatically, remove that in our what do you call this, product wallet. Then we can claim that as a product. Mamaya mag-claim ako ng ating Conscientious. So, thank you for visiting us, Manager Nathan. Can we give him a round of applause? So, that is our product wallet. So, last time before mag 7th edition, nag-claim ako, kasi previously may mga kiniklaim akong product wallet, nasa more than 2 million worth ng product. Kasi nag-adjust na, sabi nga ni Nayo, yaman-yaman mo rin, dadami-daming stocks. So, imagine, kailangan lang natin yung kapag emergency, pag nabusan na tayo ng stocks. Okay, so, are you convinced with our product presenter? Yes! Hindi niya ang maasahan na after 20 years. Kasi gusto lang niya face tabletop, pero ang galing-galing na dito. Okay, and of course, our MC, kompleto, no? Parang 6 piece ng Reway na discuss na niya. Kasi give her a round of applause. And of course, other testimony natin. Okay, thank you so much for sharing. So, it's not easy to stand here, lalo na kapag ikukwento mo yung sakit mo, kukwento mo yung mga previous life mo, no, ganon. So, can we give all our speakers a round of applause? Okay, so, total package, narinig nyo, they mention about the events in Reway, they mention about the income, they mentioned about the product and all, and we have upcoming events in Reway Singapore. So Reway Singapore will be in 5th of October. So you still have time, we still have time to check with our clients or friends or prospects who are in Singapore. Maybe some of our friends or relatives or neighbors, they have friends in Singapore. I heard James Chong mention a few months back, he said that there are 2,000 Filipinos in Singapore. To build your team to become 1-star, you can start with 8 Filipinos. And in Reway Singapore, wala pang team Tagalog or Filipino na nagpa-product presentation sa headquarters or sa amyok na office natin. So, baka team natin, kapag-trabahuin natin yan. At ang lapit lang ng Singapore, wala tayong visa. Unlike kung pumunta ka ng Dubai, ng Japan, may visa, ang haba ng visa na application, yan ang lapit lang natin mapuntahan. And what is our goal? Why we are doing that? Because we want to help these Filipinas, OFW, to come back home to their family. Pagbalik nila sa Philippines, they do Reway full-time, they will earn Singapore dollar. And you will be angels to these people who will believe you. Tama? Kasi papasalamat sa mga tao. Imagine Saturday ngayon, pero we are not even, ilan lang tayo. But I hope next time, okay, because 4th, we cannot do that. Kasi mag-fly na tayo sa Singapore, but I hope next Saturday 11, October 11, we can do it. Imagine, if starting today, Saturday, 27, right? 27, 28, 29, 30, we still have 3 to 4 days left to end the month of September. Your Reway account in Reway, your accounts in Reway, huwag niyong pabayaan na walang income. Dapat every single month, meron kayong income. So, dyan ang presented how much you can earn. If you are earning 28,000 every week in 4 weeks, you can earn more than 100,000. And who is earning a 100,000? Ito ba yung mga tao sa Pilipinas na 8 to 10 hours to 12 hours a day working, and then 5 days a week dito sa Riway. Di ba I mentioned before, if I am your boss, you are all my employees. And then I would say, okay, I will give you 150,000. Your work, I will pay you 150,000 for 1 month. Your work only is 5 days a week, 5 hours a day. What are you going to do is look for people in your neighborhood, look for people all over the world, bring them in Zoom, invite them in our face-to-face events, and then let them hear that our product and our company. Don't settle for the first level. Wag lang puro kayo product ng product. Kasi if you are selling the product, more of product is like selling the product. So sino naman ang bibili ng product with that price? However, if after that product, if you show them this is your key to travel the world, this is your key for a change of life. Remember guys, that what we are doing here in Riway, na pwede natin mapamana, mention nila kanina, sa mga anak-anak natin, the decisions that you can make today is you are preparing for the future of your children and the children of their future, of your children and the future of their next children. Kasi we are just starting in the world. Okay? Nag-umpisa pa lang tayo sa mundo na mag-saturate. And in your neighborhood, ilan yung relatives ng mga anak kapitbahay mo? Almost every home may mga diabetes. Almost every home, nakapila sila twice a month or once a month sa Mercury drugstore, sa drugstore. We can help these people. Okay? To help them realize. Kaya lang, siyempre, okay, kung gusto nyo kumita ng 6 digits sa Riway International, you are going to spend time to learn. Nakagraduate tayo ng 4-year course. Okay? Magkano na-spend na money for that? How much we gonna earn kapag nag-teacher? How much? Nag-aaral tayo ng caregiving. Nag-aaral tayo ng mga reflex. Nag-aaral tayo ng pagiging whatever course. At the end of the day, how much ang we can earn? Sa totoo lang, ang kailangan lang na bakit why people are working? Because they want money to survive. Now you ask yourself, what are you doing? Are you existing? Nag-exist ka lang ba na pinanganak ka ng parents mo? Kailangan mong magtrabaho kasi kailangan mong kumain. You are just existing. Inaantay mo na kung mayari sa buhay mo. What may bahala na sa Batman. Kaya lang Batman sa atin, di ba? So, and then, or you are living your life. Di ba? If you are living your life, you discover the purpose of your living. Okay, you find your life worth living. Yung iba, di ba, narinig nyo ba, di ba, parang wala na silang silbi, so hayaan na lang mamatay sila, hayaan na lang nila magkasakit sila, they don't care about that, kasi hindi nila nakita yung purpose ng buhay nila. So here in Riway, hindi lang tayo magbebenta ng product, kasi mostly of us, na-mistaken natin na ito ay magbebenta tayo ng product. Kaya pag ni-invite natin, sabi, ayun po niya, magbebenta ko ng product. Wala akong mabentahan. Yun ang una kong impression dito. Kaya lang during that time, I had no choice. My choice during that time is kailangan kong maka-recover yung mother ko sa kanyang illness, plus kailangan ko ng pera pambayad sa bankruptcy. So kapag meron ka na sa ganitong sitwasyon ka na, you don't have that choice. Pero iba, tinatambayan nila ang kanilang sitwasyon for the longest time na hindi ako pwede ngayon kasi nga masama pang ko, na-depress ako. Kumbaga, na-reject ka ng isang client mo, prospect mo, 1 week ka nagpahinga. Okay, malipas sa akin. Na-reject na ako ng prospect ko. Ilan ba prospect mo? Isa. Di ba sa NDO natin, 20? Kaya guys, kailangan nyo aralin ang 20. Sa sunod na naman, na medyo naka-recover ka na, naiingit ka na sa poster sa group chat, sa Facebook, bumalik ka na naman. Ni-reject ka ng 2, isang buwan ka na hindi bumalik sa Riway. When you come back to Riway after 1 month, guys, new faces niya, na marami ng mga new faces na hindi niyo na halos kilala. So, how much time you wasted? Okay? How much time you wasted? Kaya sinasabi ko, before end of September, we still have more than 3 days left. How do you spend your time? Pagkagising mo sa umaga, cellphone mo na tayo, kaya ang iba, mga multitasker, habang nagluluto, nakikinig ng audiobook, mga ganon. So habang nakikinig sila, marami silang natutunan. Kasi para maging successful ka, not only in Riway, kailangan marami kang alam. Tama? Kung napansin nyo si CEO, nanonood ba kayo kanina ng video? Or habang piniplay yung video, nabibideo din kayo sa cellphone. Kaya pinapanood kayo ng video para malaman nyo kung anong meron tayo sa company. Kaya, napansin nyo si CEO natin, ang dami niyang mga skills na nade-develop. Okay, I just want to share you two things. No? The clarity. So, the first C is the clarity. Yung clarity, ano yung gusto nyong mangyari sa buhay nyo. Okay? Kasi regardless of our age, pero kung gusto natin may ma-prove pa tayo sa sarili natin at sa family natin, ay kailangan trabawin natin ang reward kasi ito lang ang total package. Remember guys, kapag may sarili kang pera, of course, sa family nyo, pwede na yung mga wife, nandun na kayo sa bahay, kasi sabi niya husband, doon lang mag-take care. Love is beautiful. Pero financial freedom is survival. Yes. Makaka-decision ka kung gusto mo magpa-birthday kung ano-ano, anong gagawin mo sa sarili mo, di ba? Tulad ni Doc Lesson, pa-birthday siya. Violet daw, lahat mag-purple kayo. Diba? Kahit sa Tagaytay pa kami gano'n, pupunta kayo, sasayaw kami. Tara, nasayaw tayo kasi pumunta tayo dito. So, maka-decision ka anong gagawin mo kasi you have your own money. Okay? Pag sinako si Apo po birthday ko kasi you have your own money. But always remember that you have self to take care. Kasi walang magmamahal sa'yo ng katulad ng pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo. Kasi hindi ka mamahalin ng katulad ng pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo. So, that is something that we need to ponder. Okay? Clarity. Anong gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo? At kailangan may, sarili, kailangan yung SMART, you know the guide of SMART, kailangan ay achievable. Okay? Pag sinasabi mo, ngayon, bago mag-end of the month, bago mag-end of the year, kailangan may gastos ako, wala ka pang star. So, parang hindi pa rin yun achievable. So, kailangan achievable. Okay? For the remaining days of September, gusto ko pa rin na hindi ma-zero ang aking franchise sarili. Kailangan may income ako. Ano ang masaya? Yung may income ka o walang income? Okay. I'm telling you, kapag ginawa nyo ng todo-todo ang Riway, hindi nyo malaman magkano 1 kilo ng suka. Magkano 1 kilo ng asukal. Hindi pala kinikilo ng suka. Okay, magkano yung ganito, magkano yung isda, sa LBM na yan. Mga ganun kasi nga, money is not an issue to you. Gusto nyo ba dumating sa ganung level ng lives nyo? Ngayon, tanongin nyo sarili nyo, ilang taon ka na dito sa Riway? Ano na nangyari sa buhay mo? The opportunity is just right in your face. Okay? Right in front of you. Pero kung titingnan nyo lang ang opportunity na to, walang mangyayari sa buhay nyo. Do you know that the opportunity that you have right now in Riway, millions of Filipino are looking and praying for this opportunity. Pero wala akong nag-introduce sa kanila. Ngayon, nasa harap na ninyo, anong gagawin nyo lang? Just 1%. You are just going to invite people. You know si Feng Yuen, yung babae na top-notcher sa Taiwan, okay? Kapag nagsalita yan, parang hindi mo marinig. Very slim na babae, na parang binagyo na, malipad talaga siya sa akin. So, she's so conscious of herself, of her health, kasi kung anong kinakain niya, inawa niya. Then, do you know na hindi siya makapag-explain masyado? Pero ang ginagawa lang niya sa Taiwan, pinapapunta lang niya, let the speakers in the event convince her prospects or invites. During the pandemic time, may mga months na kumikita siya 120, 150, 160 million a month. Kaya dito pinagkakaguluhan sa Pilipinas ang mga ninakaw na 160 million. Pag nag-Riway ka, Supreme ka, isang buwan lang yun na income, kaya mag-ingat kayo pag nag-Supreme na kayo. Sabihin ng mga kapitbahay, palit-palit ito ng kotse. Isang araw, bumili ng kotse, ngayon iba ng kotse, bumili ng property. Baka ano na ginagawa, di ba pwede nag-Riway? Di ba? Nag-Riway kayo. At dadating sa point ng life nyo na magsawa na kayo kasi kagagaling nyo lang ng Singapore, pumunta na naman kayo ng bangko. Pag pumupunta ang bisita nyo, sabihin nyo na, anong gusto nyo po? Coffee or tea? O sige, tea. Anong bansa ang gusto nyo? Yeah. Sabihin, pag hindi siya taga-Riway, ang angas, ang yabang. Pero pag taga-Riway ka, bumisita, sanay ka na, ganun talaga. Pag suot mo talaga, saan galing yung sapatos? Pag saan ito sa Malaysia, itong clothes ko sa Singapore, ito sa Indonesia, ganyan. So, normal yan sa Riway, tama? Yes. Kapag umattend kayo matingkilit sa meeting na gano'n, makikita nyo ba, may magkano itong Prada nyo, magkano daw, yung mga gano'n-gano'n sila, no? Di ba yung Hermes nga, pina-close nila ang shop ng Hermes, ay pina-exclusive nila when they were in Las Vegas last time. Imagine, yung ipa-exclusive mo for few hours ang Hermes, magkano millions. Ang isang bag nila, pag nag-Hermes sila yung mga celebrity natin na mga top leaders, isang bag lang nilang income yan. So, kapag bago ka pa lang sa Riway, parang sabi mo ba ito, parang grabe naman itong Riway, pero pag na-experience mo na yan, normal na okay, naintindihan mo na yun. I mean, you got it already. So, you see, this is not about money. If you are going to develop your skills, the second C, which is competence, it means you're going to be compete ka sa sarili mo, develop your skills. The skills that you need to develop, kung hindi ka magaling mag-explain, develop. Hindi ka friendly, hindi ka approachable, develop that skill. You are not good into this something, develop, and then you convert that into cash. Monetize your skills. By the end of December, at least naka-develop ka na ng 2 to 3 skills na because of that, you become team elite or at least diamond 3 stars by the end of December. Every rank that you become in Riway, it means you already develop 1 or 2 or few leaders to become 1 star or develop a leader. If you develop a leader, then next you're going to do is to set your goal. Kasi wala kang goal, palang nagda-drive ka lang, drive ka lang, saan ba tayo pupunta, Tagaytay ba to, or Pamatangkas ba tayo, or saan-saan. So, hindi mo alam kung anong mangyari sa bayo. Same thing, nagigising ka sa umaga, hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin, basta nagising ka lang kasi buhay ka. Okay lang tayo, gising ako, buhay ako, huminga ako. So, kung alam mo, today pala, today na-arrange mo na kung anong gagawin mo, and you are going to do something different tomorrow, it means your life will be better tomorrow. Okay? And before you retire to bed, you already do the inventory today. Hindi maganda kasi hindi ko natapos yung aking mga achieve, ang mga goals. Kapag wala kayong goals sa buhay, wala din mangyayari sa buhay nyo. So, hindi nyo na plano kung paano nyo i-invest yung 1 hour nyo. Hindi nyo alam kung paano nyo i-invest ang day 1 nyo. Remember that September 27, 2025, hindi na babalik sa inyo yan. Wala na yan. Tomorrow, September 28, yun na. So, every day you have chance to better your life. Now, the question is, how are you going to do? Gusto nyo ba maging successful sa Riway?
Yes!
You watch the NDO tonight, spend time, and then take down notes, and then take actions. I'm sure kapag ginawa nyo yan, makahabol pa kayo pa Singapore. At before end of this year, meron kayong something na ma-achieve. Kapag nag 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, or nag-elite ka, then your parents, your family will be very, very proud of you because of your age. So imagine sa edad natin, ito may nagawa pa pala tayo. Bakit hindi natin nagawa noon? Diba? So, kaya sinasabi ng Team Eric na Team Emerald is the greatest, hala ko nag-seminar ako, is the biggest, okay? It's because, okay, my mindset is every month, if not every month, every quarter, meron akong bago na pinapa-member. So, hopefully, this September, before end of this September of 2025, 5 more new business partners will join in Team Emerald. Yeah. So, I'm telling you this, 24 hours. Kapag wala akong nakakausap na 5 sa isang araw, talagang I feel na parang hindi naging productive yung araw ko. So, at the end of 30 days of September, tapos wala man lang ako, hindi ako satisfied sa result ko or sa outcome ko, then I ask myself, anong ginawa ko for 30 days? 30 days, kung 10 hours, 8 hours lang ako magtratrabaho, anong na-achieve ko within 30 days? Paano ko na-spend ang 30 days? Na it seemed to slip away, pero hindi ako happy sa aking result. But always have patience to yourself kasi nga, the day you planted is not the day you're going to harvest. So, and the best time to plant is today. Kasi pag hindi ka, katulad ng iba, sasabihin na, okay yan kasi 9 years ka na sa Riway. So, kaya naka-achieve ka na ng ganito, may income ka na kung saan-saan na. Of course, sabi ko, kung ikaw, you will not start today, hindi mo rin marating yung narating ko ngayon. Kaya lang sa ngayon, napaka-common na ng Riway. Riway is already a mega trending in the Philippines. product is already the mega trending at the talk of the town ang Riway. At ito nga, sabi ko, mega trending ang Pure Cheer sa Riway. Riway business is the talk of the town in the Philippines. If you are not going to start today, then kayo ngayon, maybe ang na-achieve namin na 9 years, ma-achieve nyo lang in 3 years. Kasi hindi na mabilis ngayon, hindi na mahirap ngayon mag-explain ng stems and Riway. They already heard Riway, they already tried Pure Cheer. So it's how much you wanted to achieve and when do you want to achieve. Now, if you want, you can double or triple your effort. You double or triple your effort. Then, nakatipid ka ng oras mo. Kasi dito sa Riway, malaki ang tipid mo. Anong tipid mo dito? Time. Kung nag-teacher ako for 10 years, kahit bike, wala akong mabili. Diba? So, since ginawa ko yung Riway, dinamihan ko yung effort ko and the platform is best. The company is generous. So, instead na ma-achieve ko ng 30 years, na-achieve ko lang siya in 5 years. Ng 5 years na-achieve ko na. So, anong natipid ko? Time. So, sa edad natin ito, we need to do this also. We have to double or triple our effort. Along with that is we have to develop a skill. Kasi kung mahina-hina tayo, at ang nakausap ko to si prospect, hindi ka masyadong magaling. Okay? Mag-convince at mag-explain. Ay yung ibang team, na-prospect din pala siya, nasa listahan din niya. Kasi kapag wala kayong 20 in your contact list, it is far to happen na maging 1 star kayo. Paniwalaan niyo ako. Pero pag ginawa niyo may 20 contact list kayo everyday, pwede niyo mahit ang 3 star in 3 months. And the 3 star income is at least 500,000 na ngayon kasi nga mataas ng ating conversion. So, now let me leave you this question. Okay? What do you want, how do you want to see yourself in December? Anong gusto niyong makita ang sarili niyo sa December? Paano kaya itsura niyo sa December? Kayo na may limpak na pera? O hindi naman tayo contractor, pero magkaya nila na. Okay, let me read this to you. At the airport, everyone is in 2 worlds. Okay, some are excited, some are exhausted. Pagod na. So, iba excited. Some are leaving home. Okay, others are coming back. Some are running toward a goal. Others are putting distance in the past. Kasi di ba, minsan ang iba, umaalis na lang sila. Kasi may gusto nila maiwanan kung ano man ang meron sila sa bahay nila or sa country nila. So, different stories. Some building, okay, all of them started with one choice. Buy the ticket, pack the bag, walk for the gate, and then one flight can change where you live, okay, who you meet, and what you build. The only thing between you and the next reality is the boarding pass. And life works the same way. Fear stands at the gate. Choices gets you on the plane. That's your choice, okay, to go to the place, to fly there. We all stand in the same airport at some point, but we won't land in the same life. Tama? Yung mga kasabayan natin sa airport, ang iba dyan, umalis sila sa Philippines for few reasons. Ang pinaka-top reason is to earn money. Yung iba, kailangan na lang lumayo kasi something happened sa family. So, mag-abroad na lang siya. So, for us, ano kaya ang ating choice and ating target? No? Reason. So, we all stand in the same airport at some point, but we won't land in the same life. That part is decided by you, but your choice, by your choices. So, by your choices you make today. So, choose the flight, face the fear, then write the reality. Okay, so I hope guys you make the decision today to create a better future, not only for yourself but your children and their future children. Okay, see you at the top.
Yun o, di ba malinaw, no? Ang Riway is, nagbuo siya ng company na nandoon lahat, hindi lang pera, hindi lang sa health natin, no? Kinukompleto na niya. No? Totoo yan, alam mo, that before when hindi pa ako nagre-railway, taga-line lang ako, taga-heart lang ako sa mga friend ko na napunta ng ibang bansa. So ngayon napuntahan ko na rin. Yeah, dahil sa railway. So, yung sinasabi nga ni Coach Aubrey, no, na kung nasa railway ka, yung pag may bisita ka, mag-offer ka na, saan galing yun? Totoo yun. Kami din. Lalo na pag-pray, mag-keep galing namin. Ayan. Nilagay din yung sa hotel, di ba may mga free yun, no? Ano namin yun, gawin namin seminar, hindi namin yun gagamitin. Kasi ano namin yun nga, like for me lang nga tanda ko yung ito na nanggagaling pa. Every time makita ko yung tea na yun, na maalala ko nga nanggagaling pala ako sa country na yun. So, napakaganda, and thank you so much, Coach Aubrey Alvis. And now we are moved to, I think we have a raffles now. Okay.
Unahin po muna natin